I don't think many of you even know what parallel parenting is, or co-parenting for that matter. Posted a video about how parallel parenting is okay and it's fine to do, and you shouldn't feel judged if you do that over co-parenting. So many of you think that if you're not co-parenting, you don't love your kids, or if you're not co-parenting, the kids are suffering. Parallel parenting means that only one parent shows up to a sporting event. No. Co-parenting means that you're not necessarily using your divorce decree. You're not using your court order. You're agreeing on things. There's a lot of communication. You're fluid in your decision making, and you're discussing daily, weekly, couple times a week with your ex-spouse about the kids' schedules, making decisions together, not just major medical decisions, but parenting decisions. How are you raising them? How are you dressing them? What are the rules at your house? What are the rules at my house? We're going to provide some continuity there. When you can't discuss these with your ex-spouse, it causes conflict. Not only does it cause conflict with the ex-spouse, which your kid will feel, it can cause conflict in your own home. So when you have one or the other spouses, ex-spouses, that aren't good with boundaries, maybe they're a narcissist, maybe they're just emotionally immature, it's not always possible to discuss things like this. So parallel parenting, in essence, it would be close to the opposite of co-parenting. Maybe you're going strictly by the divorce decree, the pickup times, the pickup locations, the drop-off times, that kind of thing. You've got one set of clothes for one house and another set of clothes for the other house. You're not discussing things like discipline. You're not discussing things like boundary, consequences, things like that. Mom's parenting one way, dad's parenting one way. But there's also a lot of space in between. For example, in my family, we no longer discuss the details regarding how we're parenting, but we all show up to sporting events. We all show up at Meet the Teacher. I'll wave, hello. We communicate. We don't just go off the court order. We just keep the communication to a minimum. We would discuss major medical decisions and things like that. We even have schedule adjustments. If we're going on a big camping trip, my daughter will skip a little bit of time with her mom to come with us and vice versa. There's just no reason to jump down people's throat because you don't understand what they're talking about.